I wake up before the sun does to make sure I'm there on time. I work around the schedules of customers and shippers because that's the only way to get this job done. Sharing the road with millions of civilians, I stay alert to keep them safe as my tires echo the heartbeat of America's economic shifts. This 80,000-pound payload will keep the country moving forward, one dispatch at a time. But that's not why I drive. I drive because it's what I love. And ultimately, the truth is, sometimes it's not about the freight. It's about the journey.
To the ends of the earth, would you follow me?